Hello everyone, it's Nutandeep and welcome to my channel. So, when it comes to do practice, what you do actually? Do you do only just writing and reading practice? And you are not paying attention towards speaking practice, then nothing going to be done. You need to do lots of speaking practice. That's how you will achieve your goal. It's a path, so just try to enjoy this path. Doing practice is just like a path, and feel joyous every time. Try to feel like curious, inquisitive every time, and try to speak up. Whatever you are thinking, try to convert it into English. And be frank. If you are hesitating little bit, then it's okay. It's a part of learning this language. It's a part of speaking, and everyone may hesitated, everyone may take pauses. It's completely okay. Try to be frank, and if you are doing practice to enhance your speaking skills, then be consistent. You have to be consistent and disciplined. You need to make some time for speaking practice. Are you doing it or not? Reading and writing is okay. It's a part of learning English, definitely. But when we read something, it's like we are reading it. Something is written in the diary, in the notebook, and we are reading it. We don't even think about, and we are just reading it. And if I talk about writing, firstly we think, then convert it into English, then write it. We don't need to respond instantly. But in the terms of speaking skills, every time we have to react, we have to answer instantly. So try to do lots of practicing for speaking. You need to do lots of practicing, but for speaking. If you are not able to speak properly, all your practice will go in vain, because it's like an action, an activity, and you need to do it practically. I'm talking about speaking. If you are not speaking, then you can't achieve, you can't have the hold onto this language. You are good at writing, you are good at reading. Of course, it improves your way of talking when it comes to read something. But when it comes to talk and speak in English, then definitely you will have to answer of your own. You will have to reply of your own. Whatever you are narrating, you will do it by yourself, without reading, without cheating. So try to have a hold by initiating little bit steps in starting, and then you can have that hold by and by. Gradually you can have that hold. But initially you need to do lots of practicing also. You will have to be disciplined. Be frank. Whatever you want to say, never try to get hesitated. If you get hesitated, then you will lose all your confidence, and you will have the fear of getting stumble, taking pauses. So don't try to have that. Every time be energetic and have that willingness to talk in English. And one thing I want to share with you, which is the fact. The thing is, sometimes people judge you. I think every time people judge you, but sometimes what happens, if you are speaking English in a good way, in a great way, publicly, people will associate this thing with intelligence. People consider you as a brilliant, that you are a sophisticated person, but this is not the fact. You are great in English, you have a good command in English, but you don't have a single etiquette, you don't have a single manner, even you don't respect your elders, you misbehave with them, then all is just futile. So try to not think like that, try to not judge people on the basis of spoken English. English is important, it's a global language, it is important in every field, but don't try to judge people. Don't try to let down people who is struggling with English. So I would say here that just be frank, and if someone mock at you, if someone make fun of your English, your pronunciation, then just let go of it also. If you wanna get rid of this thing, then just ignore and just get over of this by ignoring this and by having a good vibes about yourself. Always have a good vibes about yourself, within yourself. That will definitely accelerate good thoughts into your mind. So don't even try to think about what people say, they will always judge you. So it's none of your business at all, and just focus to improve your speaking skills. Be disciplined and just pour your heart out to learn this language, to have a hold onto this language. So hope you like this video, and for today I'll take your leave. Thank you.